Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon, just north of Eugene. Nice little town. I'm Gary.Christiance, but yeah, you know me as the van guy, and I've got vans for you. They're still coming in, not a lot. 2019 Coachmen Beyond. 2019 Coachmen Beyond 22C. C's for the couch in the back. Now that couch, it's a power couch. You push the button and down it comes, makes it into a twin, or you could fill in the center and of course have a nice queen bed. Very comfortable. It does have 3 seat belts for forward facing, which is a bonus, because when they make the cargo van, if it doesn't come with seat belts, you don't get them, and this one does. We're going to come up from the rear of the van forward on the passenger side, and you notice the 4 overhead storage areas very well, and they're also lit too. You've got a nice master control switch that you can turn those on. And then right below that, there's a little place to sit, or of course, if you got the couch down, it makes it into a bed. Moving into the kitchen area with a solid surface countertop, recessed sink, and stovetop. You've got a nice big drawer there on the right that pulls out for your garbage. So it's got a home in there. You just close the drawer and it's hidden. All the wood's all hardwood. It's all solid. It's all dovetailed. It's wonderful, wonderful assembly and top materials. Above the 2 burner is a little glass that kind of shields the cabinet up above from the heat while you're cooking. And then we're going to move to the end of the countertop, which is your master, all your light switches for the entire unit. You can just tap them right there. It's got a nice sliding screen. It's got a grab assist handle, which is very nice, so you don't grab your screen and rip it off. Then you got your control panel up above. You got your generator start switch, your battery disconnect, all your holding tank capacities, etc. Solar panels up there flipping away, showing that it's got 12.9 volts. And then you have your Truma system, combi system for the heat inside as well as your water. It runs both, very efficient and widely used. Got your passenger seat and your overhead storage, and then in the cab, and then there's also overhead storage inside the RV in the living area. That makes it very nice. Gas engine, 6-cylinder, rear-wheel drive. Towing capacity is probably 2,500 pounds. It does have a receiver hitch in the back that you could put a bike rack or something on if you so desired. Automatic transmission, and I'll tell you what, these EcoBoosts, if you're going uphill and somebody goes by you, it's because you let them. This thing just gets up and scoots. Of course, all the normals, power steering, power mirrors. Behind the driver's seat is where you find the table that you can set up in the rear or fill in for the queen bed. And then up above that, it's all your fuses are located at. And then moving towards the rear, you've got your shower, bathroom facility. And pay attention, because there's hardly any seams in there. That's going to cut down your maintenance down the road. Moving just a little bit back, you're going to see your microwave up on top, and then a compressor refrigerator with a freezer down below. Very efficient, doesn't use propane, which means that you don't have to be as level when you go to park. Just behind that is your entertainment center, and there's 2 also cabinets back there up above. Fantastic fan, air conditioning. Thanks so much for taking your time out of your day to look at my video. You can go on Facebook, go into Put the Van Guy in. I got them all there too. Got a question? Who would you call? The Van Guy. 541-554-9581. Have a good day.